Another video. Had a tough day today trading. I made a bad trade. Didn't get to show you guys the results, but we're down a couple hundred today. I'm not currently in any trades. Oh, I called out a trade on my last video. I forgot to talk about that. And I was honestly, this was like I think this is the best trade I've ever taken. Like, I called out gold on the daily, right? Wait, something's off. Is it gold? Is it gold or silver? I called out silver. Nope. It was gold. It was gold, my bad. It was gold, my fault. So I called out this trade. Let me just auto in. I called out this trade. So I told you guys that gold was in a down channel, and I was looking to take it down. I caught it right here, and I caught probably 110 pips coming down to here. This was over the weekend. This was over the week. I was holding this trade from about, I think it was it Thursday? What day is this? I think this is the 5th. Yeah, I was holding this trade all the way up to now, and I took my take profit right here, and I was so happy about that because I have never caught in a day trade. Normally, let me know out of the market like in a couple of hours, but I saw this opportunity and I'm like, hey, it can't miss me. I have to be in this market. So I took this trade. It was running for quite a while. I took it all the way down to here and then I exited. I made a lot. I think I made I don't know, a couple hundred, but it covered practically half of what I lost today, which was pretty good. So I'm only down like about, I don't know, probably 130, 140. Yeah, so I was very impressed with that trade. I ain't gonna lie. Now I am looking to hit the GBP USD market for one particular reason. You guys saw that I called this out on this down. I need to start going over these things, but anyways, GBP USD market because, and I'm looking for the best possible setup that I think will happen. This is on the, what's that, the daily? It's just auto. GBP yen. I'm not sure. I'm not sure as yet which one I'll be in because we got some major news coming out at 2 a.m. So I'll probably do a video at 2 a.m. to show you guys the results of that trade instantly because this is a good week for me. I'm trying to trade really big this week. So yeah, I'm trying to go really big this week. No, let's see. GBP. No, I'm looking at trading probably GBP USD. GBP USD is what I'm looking for. And as you can see, it's kind of in a downtrend. Retrace back up to this side, down to the downside. But as I said, news is coming out at 2 a.m. So I'm waiting on that news. So I want to catch this news move. I want to catch this news move at about 2 a.m. So I'll probably be doing a live. This is the only thing I'm looking at because there's nothing here. I haven't seen my setup. And that's the thing that I've been learning, guys. Once I don't see my setup, I'm not going in the markets. My setup is key for me. And it has to have a certain confluence to it in order to take my setups. As you guys know, I take only flag patterns. Or sometimes I'll trade head and shoulders. Sometimes I will trade I would trade head and shoulders, flags, and market reversals, candles. Say engulfing candles, like for example this one. But that's the way I trade. So I haven't seen any setup, and I've been looking for, flags, little flags here and there, little flags here and there. I haven't been seeing any, anything that's obvious. This looks like it could be one, but it's not because it pulled way too far back. So as you know, my this looks good. I think I see a setup right here on gold. I think I'm gonna take this one. Hold on, let me figure it out. 618 level. Yep, I'm gonna take this one on gold. Probably not now, but probably when the market picks up at probably 2 a.m. in the morning, I'll probably enter gold to let you guys know, because this normally simulates a continuation. So what I do is I'll fib it out. You know, I look for key areas, see that it break this key area right here, and it's going back in this zone for retest. So if it comes back up in here, I'll take it to the sell to take it all the way down to the 1620s. But yeah, so I gotta take this off. When I mark it red, it means that I'm interested. If it's not red, I'm not interested. Also, I'm looking at the setup for the DXY. Let me just zoom out, because I know I have a very large channel. This is a massive uptrend. This is probably gonna take some weeks to happen. I'm looking to take it down here because I will only take buys when you're in an uptrend. So I'm still interested in that. For the CAD, I saw a setup, but I'm not really interested. I'm just, you know, watching to see what happens. You know, it's a little bit groggy, if that's a word. Head and shoulders pattern there. Not seeing anything that interests me right here. This is just market confusion. So I'm only looking at the DXY and the gold for now. Yeah, so really and truly. Oh, and I'll be looking at GBP USD at 2 a.m. because I'm looking to catch this news move, because I'm not sure if you guys know things that really affect the market, and I haven't really said it much. News that really affect the market. I know sometimes you guys go on forex factor and you guys look and see red folders, and then you see some baby moves. Let me just explain to you guys. There are certain news that greatly impact the market. GDP, I think, is the first or the second one. Let me double check. I think I was looking it up earlier. There it is. Number one is unemployment rate, you know. Second one is GDP. And you guys can see they have examples to show you the GDP data release. Those are where you get the big moves, because it tells if the economy is doing bad or good. You understand? It really tells you how strong the currency. If the economy is doing good, the currency is going to do good. If it's doing bad, the currency is going to do bad. So, looking forward to that news release. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my video. I'll talk to you guys at 2. I think I'll do a video at 2. I'm out.